Hi everyone, it's Rachel. I'm back in the garden again. Some of you have asked me what my garden looks like now, so I thought you might like to play a game of Spot the Difference. So have a look back at the first video I made, see what you can see in the garden, and then have a look at this one, see how many differences you can spot. Maybe if you write your answer in the comments, then whoever spots the most, I can give them a prize when we get back to school. I'd also love to know if you guys got up to any gardening the other day. So maybe you could ask your parents to write on evidence for learning, add some pictures, and let me know what you got up to. I've got a couple more outdoor ideas for you too. So how about playing noughts and crosses with some sticks and some things that you find in the garden. I've got some weeds and some stones. So you could have a go at doing that. Or you could have a go at making some shapes. So you can get some sticks again. See if you can guess what I'm going to make. Ta-da! You can do, what other shapes can we do? This one, maybe you could talk about how many corners they've got, how many faces they've got, how many sides they've got. There's another one. And a final idea is, if you've got a little box or something, maybe you could have a look at how many things, you could challenge yourself, how many different things can I get in this box? Okay, see if I can challenge you to put 20 different things into that one little box from your garden or from your walk, and let me know on Evidence for Learning what you managed to get in there. See you soon, bye.